Hey everyone, welcome back to Affiliates Dan, and again I'm back with top 3 Shopify dropshipping products of the week. But before we get into that, I would appreciate you if you could subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to create more content like this, please don't forget to hit the like button. Moving on, top 3 products, 31st October. Number 1, Magic Light Drawing Board. Number 2, Wardrobe Clothes Organizer. And number 3, Foldable Travel Bag. Let's take a look at number 1. By the way, all of these products links are mentioned in the description of the video if you want to take a closer look and more detailed look on the products, like the shape, size, region of suppliers, and all that. You can simply click on the links and it will take you to the main product page. All right, well, product number 1 is Magic Light Drawing Board. You can pause the video if you want to, but I don't think you need to do that. You're gonna listen, so I have all the links in the description. Let's dive right into the stats. This is obviously something for kids, and maybe best suited for I don't know, Christmas present or something. But it's pretty much doing quite well on the stores, so I'm guessing it's because of the Christmas and a holiday season. So let's check out the stats. Your profit cost is profit margin 16.13, not bad. Product cost only 8.86. Selling price is 24.95. So people are selling it for almost $25. Now, product saturation is store saturation rather. Only 17 stores are selling this product, so pretty good, pretty good. That's something to think about adding into your Shopify store. Moving on to product number 2, Wardrobe Clothes Organizer. Okay, right. Pretty self-explanatory. It's right there in front of you. Organizes your clothes, space saver, I guess that's the other word for this. Let's check out the stats. Profit margin $13.11. Product cost is $7.88, and selling price is almost $21. Not bad. Solid $13 profit margin. That's pretty good. Saturation inspectors say that again 17 stores are selling this product. Good. Again, that's a good number. Anything below 100, it's good. You can get into that product. You can promote that product. That's going to be a profitable product for your Shopify store. Moving on to product number 3. Okay, foldable traveling bag, or the original foldable traveling bag. I don't know what that means. You can pause the video to see the description. Let's move to the cost and profits. Okay, 16.68 would be profit margin because the product costs you around 13.31, and people are selling it for almost $30. How many stores are selling? And only 2 stores are selling this, and this, according to the stats, this bag is doing very well at the moment. It could be the reason that people will be traveling during the holiday season, maybe. That's why they're looking for products as such. So yeah, you should think about it, to add it in your Shopify store. Well, that's it for this week. But before we say goodbye, you need to check this out. Recently I've associated myself with a international directory for drop shipping suppliers. Now, the amazing thing about this directory is that these suppliers are not just people like me and you who have hoarded on products by buying it from the third party and posing as suppliers on drop shipping on websites and what do you call them, like AliExpress and similar websites. No, nothing like that. These guys are actually owner of the products, creator of the products, and they have this wing in their business where they help out drop shippers to promote their products on their Shopify stores. And this is worldwide. These people, these suppliers are from every part of the globe, and their cost is unbelievable. If you can see, this is my dashboard. This is my account, and this is the dashboard that I log into. And I'm sorry, I missed out Oh crap! I didn't put it in the main dashboard picture. Anyway, this is a very rare opportunity because, well, I wouldn't say rare, but not it's not common. It's not many people know about this directory, and it's all automized. It's like search engine for dropshipper suppliers, and it's very different from AliExpress and Alibaba. These are people who own the products, and their cost is unbeatable. The amount of profit that you can make on these suppliers is uncomparable to they what you are not making on AliExpress, because there's no the markups, the additional cost is just almost non-existent. Trust me, I've got a couple of, for example, this Olympic eyewear is one of the products that I'm selling on my Shopify store that's doing tremendously well. And if I search this eyewear same product on other suppliers, well, I don't want to call them suppliers. They're more like supplier consolidators, and the AliExpress and Alibaba. And the problem with them is that the people who are selling stuff, they don't even own the stuff, so the markups are high. So this directory is for the suppliers, the actual suppliers who are supplying the products to people who are members of AliExpress and Alibaba and Amazon and eBay. These people are are delivering their products, their batches of multiple products to these people who are part of online. I don't know what to call them anymore. It's so confusing. After being part of this automated online directory, I have no idea what to call Alibaba and AliExpress. Anyway, so take a look at it. I've left the link in the description. You can check it out. If it's something for you to consider, go ahead. Yeah, I don't think you'll be sorry, because it's really gonna make you think about how other major companies online stores are not exactly that profitable after you log into this and look at the prices from the actual suppliers. So have a great week. I will see you next time. Take care and bye bye.